now. What's going on, brother? What's going on with you?
Hey, what's going on? Hey, party people, what's going on with you?
What's
I'm
going on,
doing good,
y'all?
man. Doing good. Another day. Keep on searching. That's how
Most
I'll just leave it
definitely.
like that.
Most definitely. You got to. Ain't got no choice,
Hey, by the way, R.I.P. PM Dawn.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Didn't
man.
know. Had no
Yeah,
yesterday,
just saw
today?
it. Found out yesterday. Yeah. So we had to listen to one of the
Yeah.
songs just to.
Oh,
But
shit.
yeah,
I didn't even know. Oh,
yeah.
man. Well, on a brighter note, okay, y'all. So this is something I was listening. I happened to be listening to Robert Glasper, if y'all know who that is. What I'm going to do, what I'm going to attempt to do is a lot of people go, well, hey man, the new stuff ain't good. It ain't like the neo soul. It ain't like the old. Well, I'm gonna prove all y'all wrong. So
Ooh,
I'm going
a
to
challenge.
yeah, man. And you ain't heard this. And guess what, y'all? I ain't heard it either. So I'm just kicking back listening to Robert Glasper more than I imagined. And I went and did something. And then I'm listening to this music. I'm like, what the hell is that? So I walk in here and I'm like, oh, who is this? And it wasn't a video, y'all. So I ain't seen the video. And it was a song. So I'm like, man, okay, so let me anyway. So the song is called The Cure. And the song is by a group called Moonchild. They're a blend of neo soul.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this joint came out in 2017. So I'm gonna catch all y'all up and Mr. Bell too. But then again, I haven't heard this. Now from what I read, she's a saxophonist too. But I don't know if she's gonna play the saxophone on this joint. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So, oh Lord, here we go with the camera thing.
Anyway, that's our week.
Man. So anyway, that's what I want. That's all I know. That's all I know. So while we listen to music, I'm gonna try to fix this thing. So I'm gonna go back and forth on you, man. I'll apologize.
He coming in and out. Woo.
Oh. Anyway, this joint's called The Cure. And like I said, man, I ain't never seen the video, but I heard partial songs, so I don't know what it's about either. So we're just gonna do this thing. All right, y'all.
All right,
Here we
let's
go.
do it.
Moonchild Cure. Sounds good.
Yeah. Oh, this sounds so familiar.
You know why it sounds familiar? Because it's funky.
Yeah. Okay.
I've had my eyes on you for a while, and though it seems the time isn't right, I know you want the love that I've got to give. We laughed and kissed till the sun took us by surprise, telling the whole truth about our lives.
you give it so far?
Man, this is man, I'm in a jazz club right now, just chilling, listening to this, man.
What
This
you
is
give it? 1 to 10, man. 1 to 10. 10 being the
oh,
highest.
right now I'm gonna give it an 8.
I'm gonna give it like a
8.5.
62 right now. I'm gonna give it a 62.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
you shooting way higher. I really like it. I dig
Well,
it.
and she's a redhead, so yeah.
Well, that wasn't part of
Woo! My gosh, that bass line. Man, that bass line, dude. That bass line.
Man, I dig it all, man. That put me in a club on a date, a jazz club, nice, smooth environment. But the contradictory to it is these guys are out in the desert somewhere, just playing.
Yeah.
But it sounds really good.
Real
sounds
nice.
really good.
Real nice.
I like that.
I didn't know what to expect, but it's funny, man. They were kind of what was they were put in the same group or circle with Erica and Jill Scott, and them cats that we grew up with, as far as the neo soul is concerned. And again, I hadn't heard of them at all, man. But
I've not heard the song.
Me neither.
This is the first time hearing that song, so I really like it. Yeah.
I can't imagine what the album's like. I'll have to do some more research on that, man.
Same.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
But yeah, really smooth. The tone, it just sets it. I thought it was something I've heard before. For whatever reason, I was expecting to hear either Jill Scott or her or someone, jumping off. And then when I heard the vocal, I was like, okay, no, I've never heard this before.
Never.
But that beginning part, really, it's
dope.
Familiar.
Yeah. And I hate to be like this, but I would have never figured that would have come out of her. You feel me?
Yeah. No, and that's a surprise to me. Again, I was expecting to see someone different.
Yep.
Anyways.
Yeah. I know, huh? Right?
Yeah. And that's not what I saw.
And that's the best. Go ahead.
That's really good. I love that. Yeah. That's kind of like the shows like The Voice and stuff. You can't see the artist, they at least the people can't see the artist until they turn around. But those vocals, the vocals, are what get you. And this music, the way it started, the way she came in, her sound, her tone, man. Yeah.
Man, and it just goes to show, man, how they trying to divide us and whatnot, political and all this crap going on.
Right.
We're closer to each other now than we've ever been. And they can say whatever they want. Man, come on now. I mean, that music would be traditionally brown folk, neo soul type black music.
Yeah.
And good and well that music, whoever made it, as far as these cats are concerned, everybody's gonna give them open arms, give them flowers, give them love. Because not because of what color they are, but because of the quality of music that they put out there.
Yes.
And it don't matter what color you are. You can be green,
no, it doesn't.
orange, purple.
Not at all.
They need to let this crazy stuff go and let us enjoy our lives, man. You know what I'm saying? Not to get off the
I know,
So.
I got you, man. I feel you. Music is all inclusive. It's not a one size fits all, or no, it is a one size fits all. Actually, it's just forget the color, forget the nationalities, forget that.
Yep.
Just
music brings us all together.
That's it.
Yeah.
There you go.
What was the old line? The DJ saved my life. I mean, for real, dude. Music like that, dude. There wouldn't be no wars, man. If you listen to that consistently, that type of music,
man. When you just said you said part of what I was already thinking. Make love, not more. That, you know what I'm saying? Make love, not war. This music is love, man.
Yeah, it's a lot of love.
Yeah.
Hey, man, ain't your birthday coming up soon?
I don't know what you're talking about. I stopped having
I was thinking
birthdays.
of, love, not war, and that was an old, an old comment, and I'm thinking, oh, damn, that's right, my man's old too. Yeah. Well, almost happy birthday, brother.
Well, thank you. I appreciate you.
All right. Well, I'm done with this, man. We got some more stuff, man, that I want to share with you, man. I don't know if you know it or not, but hey, guys, real quick, in the comments, let me know if you guys want us to talk about, a little bit of who these people are, their background and whatnot, or do you want us to just talk about how we feel about the music? Because I mean, me and Bell can
What's
go
more
on
important to you?
Yeah. Or do you want us to do a little bit of both? So anyway,
well, of course, I think us doing some research into it is beneficial, definitely.
Yeah.
But party people, leave the comments. Let us know what you think.
Let us know. And on that note, man, I'm done. We're gonna go to the next one, my brother. All right.
Thank y'all for checking us out.
Most definitely. Like and subscribe.
Peace. Yes, please.